just fitting a brand new flex cable into my boat, and first of all you've got to make sure that you've got the motor secured and lined up really well with the tube. Make sure you've got the right size cable that fits the connector, and you have to undo this here so it's loose. And so you grab your cable and you put the propeller and the dog and the Teflon, and you've got to bevel this over, because it won't fit up. Like this one here won't fit up because it's not beveled. Anyway, so you got it like this, fit it up there, and push it in until you comes up, and so it's there. Push it up, so it's right away up. Push it home, right, push the cable so it goes right up there, if you know what I mean, eh? Get it right in there. And fit it up there. Put it on. I don't know why that's not going on. It's turning it. Annoying. Oh well. Anyway, so then I take my pen and I measure. Here because I want some thread on the end. Like I want some thread so that I can put the nut on. But you've got to make sure that if you may be using props that are only small across here, or you get this bigger one here, so you measure a bit more. It's up to the individual how much thread you want on, and sometimes you have to add a spacer. But anyway, so we pull that out, we've got a measurement, and I take that off, and so I've just made a measurement, right? So I take my measurement, which is 260, okay? So I want to cut this cable, so I turn it, and I have to take the measurement from this end here, and I cut my cable at the measurement I measured, if you understand. And I cut that, and I use a hacksaw blade, and I then use that on the electric drill to bevel the end over. Yeah, so 26. If you remember, I took a measurement down here, which was here. It's about the same measurement from the end to here. And if I cut that off, I'm not going to have what I want. So I have to take it from here, because it's the bit that I want. And I mark it off there with my black pen, and I cut it off there. And that's going to be my measurement. Easy. For me. You got to know what you're doing. Anyway, it's a quick vid.